In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to withdraw your money from TikTok if you're an ineligible country like Nigeria, right? So all you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end.
Join Growbit Family today. Grow your social media platforms and make money online.
You're welcome to Growbit, and this channel will teach people how to grow the social media platform and also how to make money online. And if you're seeing me for the first time, I'm Azimilian, and I would like you to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that anytime I post an amazing video like this one you're watching at the moment, you'll be among the first people to see the video. A lot of people have been asking me in the comment section saying we are in an ineligible country like Nigeria. How do we withdraw our money? Right? I got some comment like this one. This person said, you are located in Nigeria using IP. How do you get your pay in Nigeria from TikTok? Please, can anyone help me to answer this question? Right? So, and this other person also said, so how do we withdraw our money after we have read the criteria? Are we also going to use VPN, and how? So these are the few questions, right, that I wrote down, and there are more people asking and they really want to know how to withdraw their money. So I'm going to be answering this real quick. So one of the mistakes I made, when I created that video, how to create international TikTok account, is that I told you guys to create USA account, right? It's not that it's bad. If you've already created a USA account, it's okay. But I think UK account is more favorable, right? Because you can actually withdraw your money to Naira Bank, direct if you are using a UK account. So I'm going to be explaining all of them one after the other. So if you created a USA account, right, all you need to do is when you reach the criteria, you need to find somebody that will give you tax information, tell the person to help you sign up, so when the person sign up, the next thing you will need is a PayPal account, right? And why I'm saying that US own is a little bit difficult is that PayPal is something that you cannot really create easily in Nigeria because we need to do some verification and everything, and PayPal is not eligible in Nigeria, right? So there are a way we can actually do that. We can also help you create a PayPal account. If you have reached the criteria and you need a PayPal account, you can chat me up. We can help you create a PayPal account that you can link to your account. So let me go to the UK accounts, right? If you created a UK account, it's very easy. All you need to do is to find somebody that will give you tax information, right? If the person give you tax information, help you sign up, so all you need to do is to create a Pioneer account. Pioneer account, you can actually create it in Nigeria, and once you link your Pioneer account to the account, once TikTok pay you into your Pioneer account, you can actually withdraw the money direct to your Naira account, right? So easy peasy. So these are actually how you can withdraw your money from TikTok. For US accounts, you don't need to find somebody that will give you tax information, then link your PayPal account. You create a PayPal account. And for UK, find somebody that will give you tax information, then link your Pioneer accounts, and you'll be able to withdraw your money in Naira. And if you withdraw your money into PayPal and you don't know how to actually convert the money into Naira, there are so many ways you can do it. There are so many websites you can actually sell your PayPal fund, right, and you get Naira. And if you don't trust those websites, you can also come to me. I buy PayPal funds, right? I will buy the PayPal funds with my own rates, then transfer Naira to you, right? So it's easy. So, and I know so many people will be like, yeah, we don't have somebody in the UK that will give us tax information. These things are difficult, right? You don't need to worry. That's the reason why I'm here for you guys. All I just want is to provide easy way for you guys to actually make money on social media. That's what this channel is all about. So me and my team, we actually help people. We can actually help you get a tax information, right? All you need to do is, so far you have your PayPal account or your Pioneer account, all you need to do is to chat me up with some number showing on the screen, and we are going to be helping you sign up, give you a tax information, then link your Pioneer account. But all you need to understand is that this thing is not free. We don't give you that tax information for free. You will need to pay for it. So if you are chatting me up on WhatsApp, just know that you are going to pay for it, and if you are chatting me to help you create a PayPal account, know that you are going to pay for it. Is not free. So when you come to my WhatsApp, we negotiate price, then you pay, then we get your job delivered. And also, some people don't really like growing accounts from scratch. They prefer to buy a monetized account. We also have the TikTok account that are monetized. We also have monetized TikTok account. So in case if you're looking for a monetized TikTok account that you want to buy, we have TikTok account available all the time. All you need to do is just to chat me on WhatsApp, and I'll tell you the price range. If you want a US account, I'll tell you how much you need to pay to get a US account. And if you want a UK account, I'll tell you how much you need to get a UK account. It's easy. So those of you asking how you can actually withdraw your money from TikTok, I think I've answered your question. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. We just hit 5,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you all that subscribe to this channel. You all are amazing. I love you all, and the way you guys are watching my videos, when I go to my analytics and see how many views I make in 1 month, like, it's amazing. With this small channel of 5,000 subscribers, and we're making such views, you guys are trying, and I appreciate you all for always coming here to watch my videos every day. So if you're new on this channel, I will urge you to subscribe, because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. And if you found this video very interesting, all I want you to do for me is to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, you can actually say thank you Mazi for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. And if you have any question you want to ask concerning TikTok monetization, all you need to do is to use the comment section and tell me what you want me to explain for you, and I'll make a fresh video like this one and explain it better so that you get to understand it. Right, so don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in my next video.